To perform this service, you will need a rubber mallet, a glazing hammer, putty knife, and a utility knife. The parts we will be speaking about today are the valance bezel, cover, slide mechanism, and insert. First, you want to unlock and open the window. Using both hands, pull down the valance while wiggling it back and forth. If this is a casement picture window, you'll have to get your hands behind the valance, between the valance and the glass, if you will, to wiggle it back and forth. Using your putty knife, separate the valance insert from the valance cover. Remove the bezel and the slide mechanism. To put the valance back together, take your valance cover, place the bezel and the slide mechanism back in place, making sure the logo on the slide is the correct direction. Take the insert and press the two sections back together, making sure to correctly align the two sections. Using your rubber mallet, set the valance back into the main frame. This can take some force using your rubber mallet. If you're having any trouble reapplying the valance into the main frame, cut a section of the valance snap track out. Come 4 to 5 inches from each side and cut one of the two tracks using your utility knife. Score the track and remove it, and then reapply it back to your main frame.